Okay, hello guys. So, magiging draw with me to. Gagawa tayo ng mga figure drawings. Pero, may twist. Kung di kayo familiar, parang magbibigay lang siya ng mga figure drawing references. Papakita niya for a certain amount of time, say 3 minutes, tapos magpapakita ulit ng bago. Tapos yun naman yung next natin i-drawing. Tapos paulit-ulit lang yun. Pero, meron ditong option na clothes or nude. Gagawin natin all tayo. Tapos the moment na may nakita tayong nudity or not safe for work, the video ends. So, tingnan natin kung gano'n tayo tatagal. So, let's set it to 2 and kailangan all. And let's start and make sure na hindi ito not safe for work. Ooh, very close. But okay. We can work with this. Actually, ang mga inisip ko dito parang more of habang nag-figure drawing ako, yung flow ng gesture niya. Yun mainly yung kailangan mong i-capture first bago ka pumunta sa parang actual anatomical details ng subject mo. Kasi parang nandun yung personality ng subject na dinadrawing mo. Medyo mahirap to since nagdo-drawing ako at the same time nagsasalita to you guys. Hirap mag-isip and draw at the same time. And seconds, okay? Okay, sana hindi not safe for work. Let's go.